Okay, where are we at right now?
We are in
Cincinnati.
Cincinnati.
Downtown. Hold on. You're right. Oh. Phone sucks, but there's...
I actually don't know where I am at right now because I can't see anything.
Sunken in. This is a street, and there's water right there. Just straight up. If you live in Cincinnati, Ohio, this is what? Like, street? This is really crappy lighting. Look at that. Water in the street, then.
They're underneath water.
Benches. Wait. Hold on. 2000 something, the world's gonna end. For real. Wait, there's... Hold on. Alright, there it is. Is it gonna record us there? Oh my god. I need light. That is water coming up. Can't see it. On steps. Really? Alright, I don't step in it. Steps closed. I wonder why. Statues in the water. This video is only gonna matter if you live in Cincinnati. Did you know we could sing? Seriously, that is high.
Sewage overflows, so our water is shut now too.
That's awesome. Yikes. I wish I could get that bench in there. Can't walk the monsoon. Freaking, why do I have a light right now? This is stupid. The road is underneath water. That's sidewalk, grass, water flowing through into, yikes.